Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of Cooking with Della. Today we will be making some air fryer turkey wings. So let's get started with the seasoning. We got some brown sugar bourbon season. We got some garlic powder, poultry season, cumin, thyme, onion powder, some Sazon with no MSG, and some cafe black pepper. You don't need any type of salt because the salt is inside here and it's salt inside here. It's in salt in both of these. So let's start mixing it up. This is just a home blend, seasoned to taste. I'm gonna drizzle a little olive oil first. Grab the olive oil in. You want to take your home blend seasoning and just mix it all in there. I'll bring it back when I'm done. Now everything is nicely seasoned, so we're just going to marinate it. So we're just going to cover it up and refrigerate it for at least a half an hour. You could do this overnight, but since this is dinner tonight, I'm just going to marinate it for a half an hour. Now we're about to put them in the air fryer. We're gonna put 4 in there. These are Thyme wings. They're much larger than the baby wings. $3.75. For 30 minutes. After 15 minutes, you just want to check on it. Turn them over so get the other side. So just flip them all over. Okay, looking good. Looking nice. Got a little DJ Truth in the background. New Jersey finest, DJ Truth. Nice and juicy too. Those look delicious. Ready for the second batch. We're gonna try to put 5 in this one. So we're gonna put it back in. $3.75, 30 minutes. Let's go. I flipped them all over. Then they gotta go for another 15 minutes. Now those look beautiful. Thank you guys so much for all your support. I really appreciate it. And if you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next one. And remember, health is wealth, and we must take care of ourselves.